Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be going ahead and painting the front Cobra bumper, the side skirt pieces, door handle, another side skirt piece, and then we have the two rear taillight covers and another side skirt piece. But I already went ahead, I wiped all these down, so they're pretty clean. However, some of them do have some little imperfections and whatnot, but I'm not really going to do too much. I'm not too worried about it because especially the front bumper is going to get hit with so many rock chips. Like, I'm not here for perfection. I just want a simple color change. If you guys remember in the last video, the Mustang was white, and now I've actually painted the majority of it, so it's all black. And I actually changed the top from brown to black, so it's a black cloth now. But like I said, I will show you the car in a second. Let's go ahead and go outside, and then I can show you what it's looking like. Alright, so like I said, here's the car. Don't worry about some of this crap right here. I'm going to get it all nice and clean. But the main thing, like I said, it's gone from white to a black top. And the paint job isn't all that great, but I am going to have to buff this out and then polish. And the hood is still wrapped, so the hood looks like absolute crap right now. But like I said, I'm just trying to get a simple little paint job going. And it's not too bad. Besides the car being dirty, I just want to show you the progress so far. This thing is almost all black, and you can see that I do have some of the other pieces off the car, like the side mirrors and whatnot, but that's all gonna get back on the car eventually, and it's gonna look pretty good. But I just want to show you guys the progress so far. Nothing perfect, but I like it. All right, we are getting ready to paint the spoiler of a very funny, interesting setup. But you know what? I think it's gonna work. It's a lot easier just to get around on all the different sides and different angles. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw some coats onto this guy, and then I have the rear bumper. I had to kind of resand it, and honestly, it looks all right. It's not the best, but we're doing pretty much a backyard paint job, so you can only ask for so much from it. And I think it's going to come out good, so I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end, but let's get painting. Alright, we're outside. This is what the car looks like right now. You can see there is still a lot of orange peel in the paint. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and buff some of that down so that we can get a nice, clean, smooth finish. You can see the orange peel a lot in this rear bumper. We do have the side markers uninstalled, so I'm going to go ahead and sand this down, and then I'll throw the side markers back in. We did unwrap the hood and get that wrap off, and you can see I started to sand this down. Not too sure if I'm going to paint this or if I'm just going to install a new hood of a different style. And then even the front Cobra bumper we have painted out, and this is looking really nice, really shiny. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe.